Hello Year 4 and welcome to week 12, day 1 of your maths. Today we're going to look at choosing the best method or most appropriate method for subtraction of numbers. First of all, we're going to revise counting up using the frog method. We're going to look at counting up to find the change from £5 and £10. Use frog to find out how much the DVD has been reduced by in the sale. Originally, the DVD cost £9.25. In the sale, it is £8.69. How much has that been reduced by? Let's use the frog method to find out. First of all, draw a line and mark on £8.69, that's the sale price, on the left. And then £9.25, the higher old price, on the right. Frog knows that 69 add 31 makes 100 using her number bonds, so he jumps 31p to £9 and a further 25p to £9.25. Remember what we've talked about before. If that jump of 31 is too much for you, take one jump to £8.70 and then jump the 30p onto £9. So the reduction is 31 add 25, which is 56 pence. Don't forget to put the p sign for pence. Okay, so now let's look at the book. A book was originally £6.50 and then its sale price is £5.89. How much has it been reduced by? Draw a line and mark £5.89 on the left and £6.50 on the right. Frog's ready to go. How far to the next pound? You can either do a whole way to the next pound, or you can do one little step and then another little jump to the pound. 11 pence, from £5.89 to £6. And how far to £6.50? That's right, another 50p. So the reduction of price is 50p add 11p, which is fantastic, 61p. Well done. Now we're going to revise the expanded and compact column subtraction method. First, we'll look at an example in the hundreds and then we'll look at the thousands. This is 847, take away 373. On the right, you can see the compact column method, and on the left, the expanded method. It's very important that we write these out neatly. The purpose of writing it out neatly is to help us to avoid mistakes. Okay, so let's watch it happen. 7 take away 3 is 4. 40 take away 70. I can't take 70 away from 40. What am I going to do? And in this case, I can't take 7 tens away from 4 tens. I haven't got enough. So I have got to go into the hundreds and I have got to move 100 from 800 over into the tens column. So I take 100 from there and it becomes 700 and I move it across into the tens column, which now becomes 140. 140 take away 70 is 70. And now I can do the hundreds column. 700 take away 300 is 400. I've now got to remember to fit it back together to make 474. Okay, let's now have a look at the thousand take away thousands column. We're going to do 5,372 take away 2,390. Remember the importance of neatness. So first we're going to expand, leaving it compacted in this column, but expand it over here. It's very important they line up neatly to help us avoid mistakes, and the same for over on this side. 2 take away 0 is 2. 70, take away 90. I can't do that. I'm going to move 100 across and reduce it there. 170, take away 90 is 80. 200, take away 300. I can't do it. I must go to the thousands now and move 1,000 across. That now becomes 1,200. 1,200 take away 300 is 900. And now I do 4,000 take away 2,000 is 2,000. And finally, I fit that number back together to get 2,982. When we choose the most appropriate method for subtraction, we need to know that sometimes using the column method is not the most appropriate method. And now we're going to look at an example where it is not the best method and where frog is better. For the sum 3,000 take away 2,674, if we set it out as a column, there would be too many cases where we would have to move. We would have to go all the way into the thousands, to move 1,000 into the hundreds, to move 100 into the tens, to move the tens into the units or ones. So instead of using this method, this is where the frog method works best, when there's more zeros in your higher number than your lower number. Okay, so let's have a look at this same sum done through frog method. Frog starts at 2,674, and on the other side, on the right, you write 3,000 on your number line. His first jump is going to round up to the next 10, or if you're able to, you can jump straight to the next 100, but he's going to take it smaller steps. He goes from 2,674 up to 2,680, and then from 2,680 to 2,700, and finally from 2,700 all the way up to 3,000, just 3 little jumps, one big one at the end. So 6 add 20 add 300, or as we prefer to write it, 300 add 20 add 6 is 326. Much easier than going all the way through the process of moving 1,000 to the hundreds to the tens, and the tens to the zeros. Okay, now it's your turn to have a go. Try your best method, see which one suits, see which one doesn't work so well. Enjoy your maths today.